What's up everybody? In this quick video, I'm going to show you one of the best centralized exchanges on the market that does not require KYC, and it allows you to spot trade, futures trade, or leverage trade, earn and buy and sell crypto using your debit card, credit card, and much more. But before we're gonna dive deep into this centralized exchange, just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So this is bitunex.com, and I'm gonna leave link in the description below. Here's a couple options. What you'll have to do, just go in here and register. Just go through the registration process. It does not require KYC. Just put your email and go through, verify, and then sign in. Once you're gonna sign in, this is what you're gonna see. So there's a bunch of options here, but first what you can do, just kind of scroll down and see what kind of campaigns they have and how you can earn extra money by trading or depositing or doing other stuff. Right here you'll be able to see trending cryptocurrencies. You'll see the features, spot, and then the gainers. So this is what you can do: leverage trade, and then spot, just exchange. And I'll show you actually how to purchase as well. I have a little bit of money. I'm gonna demonstrate how to do that, and we'll be probably looking into plasma because this one's been actually trending for a while. So I'm gonna show you how to purchase XPL or plasma token, and then you can see some gainers for the day, and then of course who is using Bitunex and much more. First, what we need to do in here, we're just gonna go over the tabs really quick. You can buy crypto, you can use your credit card, debit card, and then peer-to-peer trading, and then third party, and then markets, so different opportunities, and marketplace. Then the next thing, leverage trade. We're not gonna do that, but this is where you can actually borrow the money or do X amount of leverage trade, either short or longs on the leverage trade, and it offers most of the tokens that's out there. And then we're gonna focus on spot, but before I'm gonna show you how to do that, let's just keep on going. Earn, you can earn here by completing some tasks, promotions, token splash, campaign task, referral rebates, partners, affiliated links, and then Bitunex Academy and much more. But we're gonna take a look at the spot. So if we press on spot, and then in here we can just choose any cryptocurrency we would like to trade. Let's just choose BTC. It's gonna take us to the main page in here. Then what we're gonna do, actually we're gonna change to different token, BTC USDT. I'm gonna switch this to, I said we're gonna try to buy plasma, so this one right here, XPL, and it took us here. So there's a couple different options what we can do. At the time of recording this video, the price per token is 81 cents. So I have in my account a little over $9. So your balance is going to be here in USDT. Let's say you've purchased through using credit card, or you just deposit money here, and I'll show you how to do that as well, and then how to withdraw. Once you have your USDT on your account, what you can do, you can place an order here. You can do a limit order, or you can do a market order. Limit order, you set up some kind of minimum price, and then once it's gonna hit that point, it's gonna trigger it, and then you'll get your tokens for that setup price. In this video, we're just gonna switch to market price and then set the amount. So for this video tutorial, let's just do 100%, and you can choose whatever you want, and it's gonna show you the amount you're gonna get. And then as soon as you're gonna press buy XPL, it's gonna place an order here, and it's gonna trigger it because we're buying by market price. We're not doing limit order. So buy it, that's it, order placed, and it was fulfilled right away. So now we can see, if we hover over our wallet, we're going to be able to see the still same amount in USDT. But if we go to spot account right here, you can see that our order was fulfilled and we got 11 plasma tokens. And in here, there's a couple of options you can do. So you can deposit if you would like to deposit more, or withdraw, or trade. And let's say, for example, USDT, same thing. This is another token that we have. If you press on withdraw, it will take us to this page, and right here we just have to select which token we're gonna withdraw, and USDT, select the chain, and offer many different chains. BNB, basically it's free, Tron, Ethereum, Polygon, and other ones. And you can see that some of them are actually bigger fees, but for BNB it's 0 fees, and then you'll just put your address here, and the minimum amount to withdraw is $2. And then in here it's gonna show you how much you can withdraw in 24 hours. In my case, since I complete couple like security steps, I added 2-factor authentication, my amount went up to $500,000. Yours by default when you start out, I think it's gonna be 10 or 20 or $50,000. Once you add some security measures, this number is gonna go up. And if you decide to do a leverage trade, what you'll have to do, you'll have to transfer some money from spot account into future account. So you'll have to go here and then press on transfer, and then you'll just have to choose exactly what you're doing and then submit here. And let's do one more trade. Let's just go back and let's say, you know, we purchased Plasma and it's been performing very well and we wanted to get our dollars back. So we go to spot back here, and then same thing, we'll have to change this from BTC to Plasma in here, and then market order. Well, in this case what we're doing, we're not actually buying, we're selling it. So we'll press on sell, you can see your available amount here, market order, and then same thing, 100%, and then sell Plasma. It's gonna place the order, and right away order is gonna be fulfilled because we're doing market price. And if we go back here, we can see right here that available USDT $9.42. And this is pretty much it. This is one of my favorite exchange that constantly adding new tokens, and it does not require KYC, and doesn't matter where you live, it's gonna work without KYC. Referral link to this exchange I'm gonna leave in the description below. Good luck to everybody, and thanks for watching.